This is going to be a video tutorial on how to protect your posts and videos on X, formerly known as Twitter. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged onto X, formerly known as Twitter. To protect your posts or videos on X, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left side pane, down to where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the center pane, you want to go to where it says Privacy and Safety. Click on Privacy and Safety. Then on the right side pane, you want to go to where it says Audience, Media, and Tagging. Click on Audience, Media, and Tagging. And then right up top here, Protect Your Posts. It says when selected, your posts and other account information are only visible to people you follow. There's a Learn More button, but you have a checkbox over here. And below that is Protect Your Videos. It says if selected, videos you post will not be downloadable by default. This setting applies to posts going forward and not retroactive. There is a Learn More button, but that is how to protect your posts and videos on X. Thanks for watching.